Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ywigs for those who don't know, and I know I look a little crazy right now, but I feel like anyone who's subscribed to my channel should be used to this by now. We are doing a new hairstyle, so I'm going to be doing the boho knotless braids with hair from Ywigs. They sent me some human hair in 22 inches. Let me show it to you. So it came in this bag with the bundles and a comb, which I already opened to use. But the hair, I got 3 bundles. I already started doing my hair. And let me take it out of the bag. So this is the hair that they sent to me. Like, you can literally see it's straight cut on there, and then it's the deep wave, I believe. Let's check. This is their 22-inch Spanish curls, and I opened one of the bundles already. It's actually a lot of hair that comes in one bundle. I didn't realize how thick it was gonna be, but I'm actually very happy about that. So this is how much hair comes in one bundle. 3 of this can probably braid your whole head, depending how thick you want it to be, like just to braid without braiding hair. But I will be using braiding hair today. So this has like little to no shedding, and I just want to show you guys, like, there's no little bits falling out like when you cut it. This came out because I wasn't holding it tight enough, but this is like a whole strand. But no, this hair is giving, and it's nice and thick, which I love. So I'll show you guys what I've done so far, because I have started my hair already. I did this part. It has some hair jam in it, so it looks a little flat right now, but I like this amount of volume because I don't want it like too big. And then the ends look so pretty because I put it all the way down, and it blends in so well in there. No tangles or anything. I did this a couple hours ago and I've just been doing other things, but we're going to do the rest of my head now. I look so crazy in this video. So this is kind of how I have it set up. I typically put like the braiding hair on one side and the human hair on one side, so I can just grab and go, and it saves me so much hassle as I do this hair. So obviously I'm running out of hair and I need to re-up. I will be doing that, and then we're going to get right into it. For my parting, because one thing I don't do is play with my parts. And for me to get these partings, I like to use these like 3-way mirrors because they just get the job done always. And I just set it up and just get to work. This is about the size of braiding hair that I'm using. Very skinny pieces because I don't want the braid too thick. And then I just start off with like 1 braiding hair, then I start to feed in the human hair. It's about this size. You can make it as thick as you want, but you still want it to kind of be able to blend in with the braids themselves. And I seal it with 1 more piece of braiding hair before I pull it out. I wish I could set this up for you guys at a better angle, but that's the best I can do at the moment. So I braid down just a little bit, and then I start to add another piece of human hair. So I'm doing the front first because I just want it to be as full as possible and just to really see what this style looks like. I also just wanted the chance to be able to like put my head back in a ponytail in case I don't finish. So there's that. ends, I separate some skinnier pieces and take about 3 or 4 and feed those in as I get closer to the ends. I did make the braiding hair like shorter. I bought the pre-stretched braiding hair, but like the shorter one, I think it's about like 14 inches or 16 inches, so that the curly pieces would definitely be longer and I don't have to like cut it at the end of it. So I add about 4 of those skinnier pieces at the ends, and that's how I'm able to get the curly like natural looking ends. And I just get some jam and braid down. I'm not using glue or anything to seal the ends because I'm making sure to braid as far down as I can, because I'm going to try to dip it at the end. Otherwise I'll just spritz it and hope for the best. But I just braid it down and the ends come out looking like this, which is what we want. See that natural curl? That's the vibe. And then the rest just comes down. So I put about 4 in each so far is what I've been doing, 4 or 5 depending what I feel like it, but like a minimum of 4. And it just looks like tree braids, but 1 down. So I'm going to finish this side and then I'll be back when I'm closer to the top. It's literally 12:30 a.m. right now and I am exhausted, but we are moving. I am basically done with the front. I have 1 more braid left, which is great, but then I still got all of this. So we still have a long way to go, but here we are. I wish I was just done. Like, look how cute this is. Can I just like cover this back part and not have to worry about it? Because but this is giving and it's so stinking cute and the curls are falling exactly where I want them to fall, which is great. So I'm feeling like a mermaid. Anywho's, I'm just ready to get this over with. So by the time you guys see me again, I'll actually look like a person. And let's just And we're done. This is the final look. Obviously I have it up right now because I finished it I think 2 days ago. No, yesterday. And I'm just now getting to actually making the video, but this is how I've been wearing it all day. I had an event today, but let me put it down. So this is the final look. It's so full and I love that. You guys know I'm a middle part girly, so of course my middle part had to be busting. These parts, they were eating. It looks so nice and full, and my favorite part is the end. Like, look how curly and pretty that is. It looks so good, and it's nice and full. I ended up using like 2.5 packs to get it this full, but it still feels very much lightweight, which I love. And I haven't even put it in hot water yet, but it's still like moving because I used minimal braiding hair. And I didn't have to use glue to seal the ends of the braids at all. So what the ends look like. I just braided it like at the end and it just thinned out, which is why I wanted to use the short braiding hair, so by the time I added the human hair it would be at the line I wanted. But no, this hairstyle is eating. But yeah, so I used the hair from Ywigs and I absolutely love it. I'm still going to dip it or maybe just like steam it a little bit to loosen up the top just a tad. But yeah, this is the final look. I'm going to show you guys how I've been styling it. Obviously, I can just have it down like this. Or I can do half up, half down, which is great because I have my like front pieces, the curly pieces in the front to just like hang on my face. So I just put it up like this, super cute. And of course I just make the curly pieces in the front just fall down on my face because that's why we have them. So this is how I kind of like the hair to fall on my face, and it just gives that gypsy vibe, which I'm absolutely in love with. I can also just do a full ponytail, which looks stunning. And then I can just choose to put it up fully, grab this and kind of do a messy bun style like vibe. And just kind of do a messy bun with it. But yeah, this hair is so versatile and like it's full but lightweight, and it's just giving everything it needs to give. And the ends, because of the human hair, makes the entire difference for this hairstyle. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. You can find all the details for the hair in the description box below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe while you're here. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.